Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You join me on a very hot and sunny day in Holland, and we've had a few difficulties with the fridge keeping cool. So much so that I had to check this the other day to see whether it was actually coming on, and I found that it wasn't, which was annoying because I'd paid quite a bit of money for it, and it's really let me down and I'm not happy. To the point where it's going to get removed when we go back to England, and I'm going to replace it for something different. Now let me just explain. I've took the cover off now, and it's quite hot this to touch because obviously it's getting hot. But when the actual wires are connected to the switch, the thermal switch, it's not tripping on the fan when it gets to a certain temperature. What that temperature is, I'm not sure, I'll be honest. But let's put it this way, you can hardly touch this vent, it's really hot. What I've had to do is actually bridge the two wires with a fuse in order to switch the fan on, and it's now permanently on, which I don't like the idea of. We went to bed the other night and I did this, and it just made a hell of a whirring noise, and I wasn't really confident to leave it on overnight, so I had to come out in the middle of the night and switch it off and put everything back, which was annoying. I'm going to be looking at a new product to me that I've seen. I've been doing a bit of research, and I'm going to be purchasing something else, but I can highly not recommend this particular device from Dometic. It doesn't do its job and it's overpriced. So if you've watched my previous video on it and you were thinking of buying one, I advise you not to bother. Seek an alternative. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.